What's up, everybody? Happy Valentine's Day. I did this live stream earlier today. Then I went out, had a good fun night. Went and ate. Went shopping a little bit. Went and got some ice cream. Good little Valentine's date. And look what my baby got me. Got me some Bob Ross. A little tree mints. Happy little tree mints. Pretty cool. I'll put those right here in the shot there. Got the old master right there. So anyway, this was just a kind of a wanted to give it a little Valentine's feel, a little springtime feel to it. I went way overboard with the cherry blossom theme, but hey, I dig it. Hope you dig it. Remember, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up on them. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing if you dig this stuff, because I do a lot of it. I can't even post a schedule on when I'm going to do a live stream or when I'm going to post a video, because I do so many. Just whenever the mood strikes me, I jump on and start painting. So till the next video, remember, Ochi-san's got your back, and Ochi-san out.